Hello YouTube, welcome to Quarantine Content. When most of us are working from home now and many phones today are adapting wireless charging, today I've got a few with me and some don't have a video review out yet, so let's get started. So let's see the Xiaomi wireless charger. There is a special thing about it, I'll tell you in a minute. Then we have the Razer 15 watt fast charger and the trusty old Honeywell Zest D charger. And again from the Razer, this is the another model I'll get you in a minute. So this is the contenders for today we have. So first let's see the one from Xiaomi. It says 30 watt fast charging and air cooled. That's the special part of it. Well, and the 30 watt it's only for Xiaomi devices like the Mi 10, and also you need a power brick that supports 30 watt. And one more thing, there is no power brick or even a USB-C cable out of the box, so you need to get both of them. The main advantage of this is it considerably reduces the temperature of the phone when it's charging. And then we have another contender today that we have here. This is the Razer Arc 700. It's quite popular on Amazon and got many positive reviews than the Amazon Basics one. So this again, like, this is a USB-C version, so it connects via USB-C. That's a good thing. So there is another model. This is the Arc 500 that also uses USB-C cable. Well, both of them or all three uses USB-C, which I like it very much, and it's pretty lightweight too. So then we have a trusty old Honeywell Zest D charger. It uses micro USB given its age, but this only supports a 5 watt charging for iOS devices. And well, another important thing is that all iOS devices only support up to 7.5 watts, and it varies depending on the Android phones from 5 to 30 watts like the OnePlus 8 Pro. As you can see, now I'm charging my phone with the Apple leather case. It's charging fine, there is no issues, and as you can see the indicator is quite good. I like the one from the Xiaomi. It's a small indicator, it's good at night. So let's see how it behaves in night or low light conditions, so will not distract you while sleeping. On the Razer one, it's a blue indicator while it's on and it turns green while you're charging the phone. That might be a good or bad thing depending on the usage. And this Razer 500, so there is one issue with this kind of chargers, like you need to place it properly in order to charge. So I'm getting hard time and getting it to charge. So yeah, finally I got it. So you need to place it properly, but the vertical ones, they are much better for charging and also using the phone while charging. Now if you got a AirPods or a Bluetooth headset that charge wirelessly, so as you can see it charges fine on the Honeywell. So it has two coils, and the Razer, again, this has two coils, but the coil is little up, so you need to place it upside down to charge it. So as you can see here, and it gets to charge. So that is one party trick here. So then let's try with the Xiaomi, and it doesn't charge because it has just one coil on the top and the bottom it has the fan. So you need to place it somewhat like this to charge, but that's not a good thing. And the best thing about this kind of chargers is you can easily lay the AirPods on this and it charges completely fine. So that's an advantage of a flat charger. One more advantage of having dual coils is that you can lay the phone on horizontal position and it charges fine with the ones with the dual coil. So you can watch videos on it and while it's charging. So it also works here because it works in any orientation. But again, it doesn't work with the Xiaomi because you can keep it here. There's a fan over there, so it will not charge. But there is one thing you can do. You can place it on the fan, something like this, but it's not advisable. So it might fall sometime, and it's not advisable. But it charges if you're gonna keep it over the fan like this. But it defeats the entire purpose of this wireless charger, why I got it in first place. Coming to cases, it worked fine with the Apple leather case. Now let's try the Spigen case. So it's a bit thick one, so let me try with it. And I have the case on, so let's try the Honeywell. It charges fine, as you can see the indicator. The Xiaomi one, it charges fine. Again, the Razer 700, again. So all these wireless charger, they work with the cases fine until there is no metal in the case. So this shouldn't be an issue. And coming to the adapters, I'm using a Motorola 27 watt adapter, and for some reason the Xiaomi one doesn't work with the Apple 10 watt iPad adapter, but it works fine with the 5 watt one. So now let's see in dark light. Only the Razer one has an indicator. So first let's place on the Honeywell charger. So you can see it has a bright red light. It might be quite distracting. And now let's see the Xiaomi one. There's a little green light. It's good, it's fine. It's something like the Google Pixel, which has a tiny white light. And the Razer one, it changes the color. It's kind of cool. After charge it turns blue. And again the Razer 500, it has a aura glow. Coming to the conclusion, the Xiaomi's party trick is the fan. It works and helps the phone stay cool while charging, especially while charging and using the phone. Then the Razer one, which is good if you use your phone in horizontal mode to watch videos while charging or also need to charge an AirPods. And there are two things I'd like to say. The charging speed mainly depends on the charger brick that you use and how much your phone supports. And as far as compatibility, any phone that supports Qi wireless charging supports this completely fine. Also, I had reviewed this Nomad 3 device charger, which I'll leave a link in the description. That's it I had for today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and as always, peace.